Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Oh my gosh, you guys have to see this kitchen. Seriously, this is the definition of moody but bright. We're talking Modern Tudor meets Organic Luxe, and honestly, it's a game changer. The trauma here is insane. Look at that contrast. We have this incredibly rich, deep charcoal cabinetry that's just screaming sophistication, right? But then, bam! It's paired with this gorgeous, light, natural white oak veneer. It keeps it feeling warm and totally approachable. And can we talk about scale? The ceilings here must be at least 9 feet 6 inches. It makes the whole space feel so grand. Now check out this island. This isn't just an island, this is a runway. It's easily 8 feet long, topped with this sleek, dark matte stone. Perfect for baking or just spreading out snacks for a party. And look at that window. That massive black gridded casement window, it instantly elevates the whole room from just nice to masterpiece. You know how normal kitchens feel cluttered and cramped? Not this one. The whole back wall is seamless built-in storage. Refrigerator, ovens, coffee maker, all tucked away. It's clean, it's minimal, and it totally gives you that dream home definition vibe. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.